Cleaning your home for sale. The smart seller's advantage. Getting ready to sell your home. You've probably decluttered, styled, maybe even repainted. But have you deep cleaned? If you want maximum value and the smoothest sale possible, a comprehensive clean isn't optional. It's essential. Today, let's talk about why cleaning your home for sale is one of the smartest, most profitable moves you can make. Why cleaning isn't just cosmetic, it's psychological. Here's the truth. Buyers make decisions based on emotion. They walk in and want to feel something. Calm, space, freshness, trust. A clean home doesn't just look better, it feels better. It helps buyers imagine their future in the space, not the work they'll have to do. And in today's market, people aren't just buying bricks and mortar, they're buying peace of mind. The hidden dirt that scares buyers. Most sellers clean what they see, but buyers? They notice what you miss. Dust on blinds, sticky cupboard shelves, fingerprints on walls, mould in corners, window tracks filled with grime, cobwebs in the ceiling. These little things quietly add up to one loud message. This home hasn't been well maintained. Even if the structure is solid, dirt makes people doubt. What a real sale-ready clean looks like. A proper pre-sale clean is different from your weekly tidy-up. It includes steam cleaning carpets, scrubbing bathrooms until they shine, polishing floors and stainless steel, cleaning walls, skirting boards and switches, washing windows inside and out, vacuuming vents and sealing corners, deep cleaning kitchens and appliances, clearing dust from often forgotten spots like door jambs and light fittings. It's a full reset. A home that says, I'm ready. The ROI that might surprise you. Many sellers invest in photography, styling, and small renovations, but forget the most affordable, high-impact upgrade. Cleanliness. A spotless home attracts more online views, feels larger, brighter, and newer, builds buyer trust, reduces buyer objections, helps agents justify your asking price, all with minimal cost and zero risk. In fact, cleaning is one of the only selling expenses where you're guaranteed a return. Don't let dust cost you. Thousands of buyers don't always know why they're hesitant, but often it comes down to subtle cues. They can't quite picture themselves in the home. It feels used, lived in, like someone else's energy still lingers. A deep clean wipes the slate. It gives buyers permission to fall in love. And that emotional connection, it leads to offers. Fast. Final thought. A clean home is a confident sale. You've put love, energy, and time into this home. Now, it's time to show it at its best. Don't let dirt or dust undermine its value or your peace of mind. Whether you clean it yourself or call in a professional, aim for spotless. Not just for photos, not just for showings, but because every clean corner whispers, this home is cared for, this home is ready.